How to enable Galaxy AI on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. For example, if you want to press on this icon, then you can see generate, edit, or sketch to image, or if you want to remove background or extend background or call assistance or a lot of feature. Let's check. If you go to your setting, and under setting you can see the Galaxy AI, then you can see a lot of feature. Call assistance, that's mean you can translate your voice as a text. I have a video, you can check it. And writing assistance, that's mean Gemini or Google AI help you to generate your chat in message section. And interception, you can easily translate your voice to any language. Note assistance, it's help us to write mail. Or then you can see the photo assistance, drawing assistance. If you want to enable it, just go and enable it. Then you can access all of your Galaxy AI easily. Just make sure you are enabling all of things. As simple as that. That's it. Thank you. Have a good day.